In this beginner tap dance lesson tutorial, I'll be collaborating with Jen Vermees, who has a wonderful tap dance YouTube channel, to teach you a combination to the song Electric Rhythms. In this video, I'll be teaching you the second half of the combination. If you haven't already learned the first half of the combination, click on the link in the description below and Jen will walk you through that. Also, if you want to download the music, there's a link in the description for that as well. If you're new here, I'm Rod from UnitedTaps.com, helping people just like you be happier and healthier through tap dance. Without further ado, let's jump in. Starting with your right foot, you have scuff, heel, step, step, stamp, clap, ball change, clap. I'll do that again. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. From there, starting with the left foot, scuffle, step, heel, scuffle, step, heel, stamp, spank, step, stamp. Again, that was scuffle, step, heel, stamp, spank, step, stamp. Let's put that all together. 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. Let's roll that again. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. From there, touch crossed, hold 2, grapevine, step, step, toe. So again, that is touch 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll show that again. 6, ready, go. Touch 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. After that, flap, heel, a double cramp roll, heel, heel. If you're not familiar with the double cramp roll, it is flap, step, heel, heel. Again, that was flap, step, heel, heel. And after the double cramp roll, we're just doing 2 extra heels. So that last part I taught you goes like this. Flap, heel, a double cramp roll, heel, heel. Let's do that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flap, heel, a double cramp roll, heel, heel. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and flap, heel, a double cramp roll, heel, heel. Wonderful. Let's go back to our touch 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, so we can practice getting into the flap heel just like that. All right, let's do that together from the touch. 5, 6, ready, go. Touch 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, and 6, and 8. One more time, same spot. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, and 6, and 8. Beautiful, my friends. Let's take it back from scuff, heel, step, step, stamp, clap, ball change, clap. That's the beginning of the second half. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, and 6, and 8. Excellent, my friends. Let's roll that one more time, and then we'll finish it out. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, and 6 and 8. Let's finish it out. Stamp, stamp, spank, step, stamp, toe, step. I'll do that again. 6, ready, go. Stamp, stamp, spank, step, stamp, toe, step. And congratulations, you made it all through. Excellent work. Let's do it. Run this entire second half and get it flowing nice and smoothly. Here we go. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, and 6 and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful! Let's roll that one more time without music. Then we'll put some music on so we can really get the feel of it. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. A 1, 2, a 3, 4, a 5, and 6 and 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Beautiful, my friends. Let's give it a shot with the music and see how it goes.
I'm shining bright, body swaying in
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Electric rhythms in the air, moving bodies without a care. Feel the pulse, let it take control. Electro swing, it feeds our soul.
Beautiful! Let's roll that a few more times. Here we go, same spot.
I'm shining bright, bodies swaying in the air.
And
To
5,
the
6,
swing, we all
5, 6,
play.
7, 8.
Electric rhythms in the air, moving bodies without a care. Feel the pulse, let it take control. Electro swing, it feeds our soul.
Yeah, the fast part is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You really have to be ready for that little grapevine. It's really fast. Let's roll that a couple more times, get you comfortable with it. Then we'll try a run all the way through.
I'm shining bright, bodies swaying in the air.
And
To
5,
the
6,
swing, we all
5, 6,
play.
7, 8.
Electric rhythms in the air, moving bodies without a care. Feel the pulse, let it take control. Electro swing, it feeds our soul.
Beautiful! Let's hit it one more time, my friends, then we'll take it from top. Here we go, same spot.
I'm shining bright, bodies swaying in the air.
And
To
5,
the
6,
swing, we all
5, 6,
play.
7, 8.
Electric rhythms in the air, moving bodies without a care. Feel the pulse, let it take control. Electro swing, it feeds our soul.
Beautiful, my friends. Let's take it all the way through.
A sound that travels across the lands.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Syncopated steps in the night, glowing neon, shining bright. Bodies swaying in the air. To the swing, we all declare. Electric rhythms in the air, moving bodies without a care. Feel the pulse, let it take control. Electro swing, it feeds our soul.
Beautiful. Let's roll it all again. Here we go, from the top.
A sound that travels across
5,
the lands.
6, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Syncopated steps in the night, glowing neon, shining bright. Bodies swaying in the air. To the swing, we all declare. Electric rhythms in the air, moving bodies without a care. Feel the pulse, let it take control. Electro swing, it feeds our soul.
Excellent, my friends. Let's roll that one more time.
A sound that travels across the land.
6, 7, 8.
Syncopated steps in the night, glowing neon, shining bright. Bodies swaying in the air. To the swing, we all declare. Electric rhythms in the air, moving bodies without a care. Feel the pulse, let it take control. Electro swing, it feeds our soul.
All right, beautiful. We're going to run it one more time, facing you. You're not expected to do it with us. This is just so you can see what it looks like from the front.
Syncopated steps in the night, glowing neon, shining bright. Bodies swaying in the air. To the swing, we all declare. Electric rhythms in the air, moving bodies without a care. Feel the pulse, let it take control. Electro swing, it feeds our soul.
Excellent. I hope you had a wonderful time, both with Jen and I, learning and performing this combination. If you did have a good time, please hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a quick moment to drop a comment down below. Anything you put helps us tremendously. I'll give you a second to do it right now. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. If you did have a good time, we have so much more great content at UnitedTaps.com. I hope you'll hop on over there and check it out. I, of course, am Rod Howe from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.